And then Urlacher's right there to finish him off.
He's like, I could do this.
Now 3rd down and 9.
I don't know.
People just too lazy.
Finley at the bottom of your screen. That's where Rodgers goes.
Get it, Penny.
Third time in this game. A 3-touchdown game for Jermichael Finley. Touchdown!
There's a good
And that offense keeps on rolling. And when it runs to the flat,
like, I just keep sitting here and wait for it to come up
falling
here.
back underneath Jermichael Finley.
Look at him look
Trying
at
to get
that.
safety help over the top. But
I really want that. I'll just stare in the
Which causes Jennings to hesitate just for a split second. And then that's
It's
what
not like he's starving.
Green Bay team that won it all last year with 15 players on IR. Jermichael Finley, such a weapon, went down last October in a game in Landover, Maryland. He had a big game last year in the first meeting between these two, 9 catches, 115 yards. A career high 3 touchdown catches today. Pack up 17.
Ed, do you want to hit mute?
This is the kind of truck that has it all.
Got it.
Let's try it.
We should put this on AFV.
Yay! Good job, Candy!
There's gotta be another shot somewhere. Let's do that again.